Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to check and increase Tamara limit. First, open the Tamara app on your phone. Once the app loads, look at the top of the home screen. Here, you will usually see your purchasing power or spending limit displayed clearly. If you do not see it right away, do not worry. Tap on the option that says Check My Limit. This option can appear on the home screen or inside the menu, depending on your app version. After tapping it, your current spending limit will be shown on the screen. Now it is important to understand something. You cannot increase this limit by paying extra money to Tamara or requesting a manual change. Your spending power is calculated automatically by the system. It is different for every user and depends on several factors. These factors include how long you have been using Tamara, how consistently you make your payments on time, and whether you currently have any pending dues. To improve your limit over time, focus on a few key habits. Always make your payments on or before the due date. This is one of the most important signals for the system. Also, make sure you clear any pending or overdue payments, as unpaid dues can lower your available limit. Another helpful step is to use the app regularly. Try making smaller purchases and paying them off successfully. This helps build trust in your account. Thanks for watching.